Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg burritos at home. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh eggs, soft tortillas, and any fillings you desire, such as shredded cheese, cooked sausage, or diced peppers. Ensure you have a good non-stick pan and a spatula on hand. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth cooking process, making your breakfast creation simple and enjoyable. Now let's cook those eggs perfectly. Whisk 2 to 3 eggs per burrito with a splash of milk or water for extra fluffiness. Heat your non-stick pan over medium-low heat, adding a small amount of butter or oil. Pour in the egg mixture and gently scramble them, pushing the cooked portions towards the center until they are just set but still moist. Avoid overcooking for the best texture. With your eggs ready, it's time to assemble your delicious burritos. Briefly warm your tortillas in a dry pan or microwave to make them soft and pliable. Place a generous portion of your perfectly scrambled eggs down the center of each warm tortilla. Now, add your favorite fillings, such as shredded cheddar cheese, a spoonful of salsa, or some crispy cooked bacon. Don't overfill them. Finally, let's master the fold and enjoy your creation. Fold in the two opposite sides of the tortilla over your fillings, then tightly roll the burrito from the bottom up. You can serve these delicious egg burritos immediately for a warm breakfast, or wrap them individually in foil for a convenient grab-and-go meal. They are perfect for busy mornings. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade egg burritos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.